Okay, yeah. Water heater went through hurricane by 8 foot of water. We'll try to get this thing working. About $500 to go buy a new one. I bought everything else new for about $7. And I'm doing it, of course, for free. My shit. That's alright. 101 here. We're gonna see what we can do here. See if it's true. I know it's true. So it's $500 for a new water heater, and then I have to install it, or $70 for the material, and I have to fix it. We'll see if it works. And it's rough. Okay. You can see what I'm working on. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Okay. I already took this thermostat out first. Of course, you always draw a diagram how your shit was. I put new elements in it yesterday. Put new elements in it yesterday, Brandon. So today we're gonna put thermostats in. Hopefully it works. It ain't working out. I've been working on this damn thing forever. So here we go. Here we go with the show. We're doing more of this. I might not do it exactly but I've been plumbing 27 years. I guess I maybe should read the instructions. We'll do that another time. That's for another day. About the instructions. As you can see, it's different. But it got the same amount of screw. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So I said they all the same. We're gonna see about do the my diagram says red and black are coming into the top. Okay, they got a mark saying 1, 3. 1, 3. Shows you right there. Look, them two right there don't fuck with. See them? Them two? And look, them two right here, they got a block. I see them fuck with. Cool. We're gonna do this. Let's do this. So we got black. So it ain't black. Let's see what's going down in the hood. Emang motherfuckers can't have one. That's right. So, make sure it's all the way up in. Turn this down. I gotta do 2 stops for 2 hours. Come on, bitch. Here we go. Diagram. This is the diagram. Yeah. Coming down from the top. Right here. Boom. Into it. It's okay. Let's see what's going down anyway. So I got red. So coming out of that looking thing. We got this one. This one goes to the bottom. I'm gonna try to reuse this fucking same wire. I'll put new wire at certain spots, but I right here shit. And that blue, they got that bitch going to the center. They got it going to this because then they got 2 of them going here, and then they got the hot. What the fuck? Got a red. Goes in with this. So red right here. Go in here with this. Cause I'm a motherfucking stopper. Let's try to break you. Every year we like to have a woman. I realize I'll charge you. If I like it, I'm $250. If I don't like it, I'm $500 to do this. I realize I've been working a little bit before I kick this video on. Shit. Alright, then black. I got the black. So the black is going right to this way. Oh, look what you got. I'm a motherfucking stopper. Let's try to test me now. Okay, here we go. Hey, nah, that's okay, though. Get the fucking out of the way. I don't think you're supposed to use the language. Look at it. Don't like it, don't like it. Okay. Hey, got that one in right there.